Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is a Sony Studio. You can see the AV audio in is broken inside. So now I show you how to remove this without open this case. You need a safety pin. You can see a safety pin and an iron or a lighter. So now I am using the iron. I do this. I hit here. Put in the middle and hit the safety pin to go inside the plastic and wait 10 seconds. Don't move, stay like this, and when you see the safety pin is strong with plastic, and just remove like this. Be carefully remove. You can see remove it inside broken AUX cable. I have another one also same way. I put the safety pin middle of the point and hit the safety pin here, or you can hit by the lighter and little bit push to go inside safety pin the plastic and wait for make it strong the safety pin and remove it like this. If plastic out and is still inside, so I remove by anything like this, and you can see easy way to remove. So this is a Sony Studio, you can see big size. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.